Hi, this is Kathy. In this video, I'm going to go over the things that you're going to do with your sales presentation, which is the assignment due for week 11. This is what the finished product looks like right now. Over here on this side, on the left, you see the slide thumbnails for each slide. Slide 1 is a title slide. Typically, a presentation begins with a title slide. If you needed to change the layout, you can click here. You can see this gray box around this one. That lets you know that that is in fact a title slide. If you wanted to make it a different slide, you could just click it here and choose whatever layout that you like. The presentation is formatted with a wave theme. So that's down here. The theme controls the layout of the slides, the background color, the font color. So notice that on the title slide, the font's white. I didn't change that. On the other slides, the font's a different color. You click in a placeholder and you type the text. The theme also determines the alignment. For instance, this text is right aligned. This is the subtitle, so you click in there and you type your name. The second slide is a title and body slide. That has a placeholder for your title and a placeholder for your text. Now you do need to click the bullets button before you type this text because by default there are no bullets in this placeholder. You can use this button here to make a new slide, or you can click slide and then choose new slide. On this one, when you click the plus sign, it makes a new slide. It typically makes a title and body slide. You can click the arrow and then choose the slide type you like. This is the title and body, so there's a placeholder for the title and a placeholder for the body. So this is a text placeholder. If you want to type a bulleted list, you need to find the bullets button. You click it, you type a paragraph. When you press enter, a new bullet will appear. So this is what slide 2 will look like. Again, it's a title and a body slide. And you're going to type the bulleted paragraphs here. Slide 3 is a caption slide. So this is the caption area here. Another text box. You're going to type meet the sales team and your name. And you're going to insert a photo of yourself. So you know how to insert a picture. Insert, image, or on the toolbar, you can click the image button right here. And most likely you're going to upload the image. You can click here, or if you have the image on in a folder that you can see, you can just drag the image into this box here. And then you can resize your image. Use one of the corner resizing handles that keeps the width and height proportions. And then I'd like you to center the photo. Click Arrange, Center on Page horizontally and vertically, and then click off the photo when you're done. Slide 4 is a title-only slide. This has a text placeholder for a title, and the rest of the slide is blank. So that's what the slide looked like before I inserted the table. To insert a table, click Table, Insert Table, and it's going to be a 4x4 table. Move the table down and then type the text into the table. You're not going to type this text here. Instead, you're going to type 3 products that you're advertising at this sales presentation. So this text is left aligned. Weeks 1, 2, and 3 are left aligned, and these numbers you're going to right align. The alignment button's right here. This is right align. The text for the first row and the first column are bold. All the text is going to be white, and then you're going to format this background with the background fill color with this one right here, dark blue 1, or you can choose this theme color right here, which is very close to this dark blue 1. And then you're going to format the borders, the table borders, with the same color, and you use the line color option, and then you choose the color, and then change the width to 2 pixels right here, and that's the width of the border lines. Slide 5 is another title and body slide. So we have text placeholder for the title, text placeholder for the text. Now this time, instead of the bullets, you're going to create a numbered list. So you're going to find the numbered list and click it, and then you're going to type your paragraphs. This text is formatted with 24 points, and also slide 2, the text is formatted with 24 points. On slide 6, this is another caption slide. So here's the caption down here. And then you're going to insert a video. Insert video. And then you're going to search for a YouTube video here. If you know the URL of a YouTube video, you can put it there as well. But this feature is kind of nice. So what I'd like you to search for, something related to your business or your company's business. For instance, if your company's Nike or Costco, a bakery, you're going to look for something with that type of content, and you're going to insert the video on the slide. And you may need to resize it, and this plays when you run your presentation. Now I'm going to talk about animation. Over here, a slide transition, that's an animation that you see as a new slide appears. I've set this to come in from the right, so I'm going to play that so you can see what that looks like. Okay, so see how that slide comes in from the right? That's called a slide transition, and I apply that to all the slides. So when a new slide appears, it's going to have that slide transition. You can also animate text and objects on your slide. So, for instance, if you want to animate this text, you're going to click Animation, Add Animation. This is what I applied. I applied Fly In on click. That means when the presentation is running, you have to click your mouse to play the animation. And by paragraph. By paragraph means that each one of these paragraphs is going to come in by itself. So I'm going to play this so you can see what it's going to look like. That's the slide transition. I'm going to click my slide to play the animation. So there's the first paragraph. There's the second. So I'm playing the animation on the slide, and after the last item, the next slide would appear. On slide 3, I animated my picture to be fly in on click. And slide 5, fly in on click, but I didn't choose by paragraph, so I want you to see the difference on this one. There's a slide transition. Now the animation starts. Notice how all those came in together. It's because I did not choose by paragraph. I'm going to close this animations pane, and now we're going to run the presentation from the beginning. You can't see the whole presentation because the presentation is taking up all my screen space, and I'm not recording the whole monitor space. Okay, here's slide 2. Again, you can't see everything, and I'm clicking my mouse to play the animation. I'm going to stop this now. So if you click Present, it starts the presentation from the current slide. So slide 2 is the current slide. On the menu bar, if you click View and click Present, same thing. It's going to start the presentation from the current slide. The keyboard shortcut Control F5 also starts the presentation from the current slide. And then the keyboard shortcut to start it from the beginning is Control Shift F5. So you're going to share this with me and make sure that you use an editable link. And you also are going to publish it to the web. And you're going to copy, this right here, Control C to copy. You're going to copy this link, and you're going to upload this link in Blackboard. All right, so I'm going to show you what that's going to look like. I'm going to paste the link. Now this is formatted as a web page. Because it has animation, this little bar is playing here, and we can play the animation. Now, the disadvantage of the animation is a user may not know that they have to click the slide or click the next slide button to play the animation. So I think that if you're going to make your presentation a web page or publish it, that you should remove any animation that it has. This is the YouTube video, and it will play when you run your presentation. Hi, this is Kathy. In this video, when you're viewing your slides, you can't play that video. Okay, I'm going to close that web page now. And then after I grade your assignment, you can turn off the publishing settings if you don't want your presentation to be public. So publish to the web, I'm going to say stop publishing, and then it will no longer be available online. You're going to turn in 2 links this week. In Blackboard, click Upload Assignments. You're going to scroll down to the Week 11 Google Slides link. Click that. Notice it says that the assignment's worth 15 points. Click Write Submission, and then you can put your 2 links in this window here, and then click the Submit button. So you're going to make, again, a share link for this file that's editable, so I can make comments and check your formatting. And then you're going to upload the link that you copied when you chose Publish to the Web. There's also a quiz due this week, so you're going to scroll on down to Week 11 Quiz Google Slides. Good luck with your sales presentation this week. I hope you enjoy it.